No.
Una naman. Scrapping. Scrapping.
Scrapping. What is scrapping?
Strapping na.
Yung chopping board lang.
Kantaran niya.
Are you okay?
I'm fine it.
What is fine it?
Find it? Okay ako, okay ka. I find it.
English.
Yeah. You're okay, I'm okay.
I'm not okay.
You are not okay?
Yeah.
Then, I explain it what you are
Yes.
not. You are not okay?
Oh,
For what?
I don't like you.
You don't like me?
Yes.
That's the point? You cannot
No, that's
like
not
me?
the point. That's not the point. You're absolutely no.
Absolutely?
Yeah.
I think that sounds absolutely is your powerful
Powerful.
meaning that you said it. Absolutely.
Explain me.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. And can you elaborate? Absolutely.
What is elaborate? Elaborate? What is pardon again?
Elaborate me.
Elaborate.
I told you it's you're absolutely.
What is elaborate? Elaborate.
Explain it.
You are.
No, elaborate me. Explain it. That's why.
What is elaborate?
Elaborate me who I am and what you are.
Elaborate who am I and I.
Oo. Can you?
Ibig sabihin, explain me who am I.
Mm-hmm.
No kasi, no. Sorry kasi.
Go.
What? Answer. I question.
Question daw.
Answer agad. Wala pa akong question. Answer agad.
If
Mag-ikong ka.
Answer.
Ano ba kong siring?
Question yan eh. Kulera ka.
Utag mo.
Wala answer.
Dapat kasi kanina,
Ah,
ayun sabi ko, if, di ba?
oh. If your life is too short,
If your life is too short, how to be handled it?
thank you for
Anay,
Oh.
uturuhan akong siring.
If your life is too short, how can I handle it?
Yeah.
If my life is too short,
How
I
to be handled it?
how can I handle it? You know, thank you for discrimination.
Discrimination agad.
You discriminate my life.
Karot. Why discriminate?
Why?
I'm just asking.
Oh, in the way you just elaborate. You discriminate my life.
Hindi mapirdi kaya pag sugad sa mo ano.
Namatay ka.
I'm just asking.
Sige, if life is
Ito naghimo ka pamaagi na iba.
don't ask me. That's why I elaborate my answer.
You elaborate.
Stop it. Your question is your question. I elaborate my answer.
O ikaw na lang pag-judge. Kaya ako naman. Paano ka magdahog sa...
Siguro ba yun? Alas
Oh.
12 na.
You know what?
What is one?
I am free and single.
You're free and
Ay,
single.
Single lang.
Layo.
Wala namatay ka din.
Single pa.
Single.
Motor.
Not my...
Ano? Kasi madya.
Oh.
Sometimes you can make it say something wrong. Yes, totoo. For me, I am not educated, but I understand what they say. Everything what they say, what happened to me. I am a gay, and I proud to be a gay, and I accept what you said.
You know what?
I don't know what.
You know what? You don't
I
know
don't
what?
know what.
We're the
Seriously.
same. Are you agree?
You
Are you agree?
asking me.
Hindi
You know
pa
what?
mahalata.
Ask you.
Okay.
Are you gay?
I'm okay.
I am a gay.
Okay.
From head to
Okay.
Di, you seem again.
from head to foot.
From-
I,
From head to foot,
I know
Tutu.
you are who are you are.
you know what I am.
You know who you are.
Kaya nga.
Hmm.
Then,
Then
tututut.
no natututot. No natututot.
Kulur.
Tututot. Are you a toothache?
No, I'm not toad.
Hmm.
I'm tongue.
Really?
I'm tongue.
Tongue?
Tongue to tongue.
Tongue? Tongue.
No.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Why are you laughing?
Nothing. I'm laughing because I want to say you.
You see me what?
You are a paradise.
I'm not a paradise.
You're not paradise. Joke ko lang yun.
No, you're not paradise. No,
Ulus naman.
no, you're not paradise.
Walang pakialam.
No, I don't think so. You're a paradise. But I
Yeah.
question you.
Question it.
Who are you in my life?
I don't know who I am.
Who do you know?
I don't know who am I in your life.
You're an alien.
No, something. You can judge myself who am I with you.
I judge your life.
Judge me?
I judge yourself.
Yeah. Me. Myself.
You
and
told
I.
me you don't know who are
You told me?
you told me later on that later on
Later on.
that who you are. You don't know who are you. Who are you? You told me later that you don't me.
told
Who are
me.
you?
Okay. I'm answer your question with this.
Yeah.
For me,
Hmm?
you ask me who am I,
Hmm?
then I will asking you two first. Who you are.
Who I am? Who you are? No. Who you are?
What? Joke lang.
Who you are? Who I
Ikaw?
am? Oh, I answered you. Who I
Joke
am.
lang? Oo eh.
No. Focus me. Who I am? I'm Mike Marcar Arbizo, resident of Oquindo.
President?
Resident. I'm proud to be that you're my friend.
Oh.
Even though
Ay.
that you're not accept me.
Evan and do. Iba ka sa Evan nga sa do.
Even though.
Even if.
Na namatay
Even
ka.
do, even if, magkaiba kasi.
Even though.
Ano mo yan, i-search mo yan. Even if, even
Lima ni
do.
search.
Sige,
Lima ni search.
kamu naman sa biography.
Even though.
Yes, that's true.
Even though you're not a friend of mine, I'm here with your
Your
friend of mine.
funny.
With friend of with my love of mine. You know what? Love of mine.
No, I'm just.
Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
Oh,
I'm laugh because I'm happy.
oh.
What do you mean?
Why are you laughing?
I'm laugh, but I'm happy.
Are you
See
happy?
the tuk-tuk in the lizard chick?
Lizard pa gano'n.
You know, guys.
You know, guys.
Oh,
For me, where I am, I thought and I'd say I'm proud to be
A Filipino.
no, not a Filipino. I proud. Kuya
proud of
Mike.
me? No.
Yes. For the first time that I'm saying, for me, I proud Kuya Mike as my friend. I don't care. You told me. He told me I am not a best friend. But for me,
Uy!
I
never
proud
told
it.
you.
I proud it. Kuya man.
You know what? Dumaligis is my second home.
You don't know.
You may not know it. You never know it. It's my turn to talk.
Oh yeah.
Don't elaborate. Just go. Don't interrupt my.
Sorry.
Don't interrupt my.
I interrupt.
Oh, what I didn't say. Tumaligis is my second home. You know what? You know what? My boyfriend, my Kimi is here. That's why I'm here. And every time Geraldine, you know Geraldine, Pinutiba, the wife of
The wife
my-
of
Arnel, oh,
dapat sa'yo.
Silda 14, you know what? I'm here. And everything I do it for you. Oh, everything I do it for you. As a friend of mine, I do it for you.
Kaya talaga sa iyo.
Huh?
I like it. Kada Arnel. Sa iyo pag sa kuan.
Arnel is not a friend. Arnel is a friend of mine. You know that. Arnel's is a
Strange, ha?
no is the river.
Okay, hindi mo name ko. Tapos na naman tawag ni mo sa iya. We are.
You question me.
I'm
and
just
answer you.
asking. I am just questioning
Question
you.
me and
Okay.
ask and
Okay.
I answer you.
It's yours.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Bring it first.
Mm.
For me, that I am telling you what happened. What is your final question for the
Final destination.
Ayun lang.
No, I'm
Oh,
just
yeah, ako na.
trying.
Mm.
I'm just trying.
Oh. Explain well.
Okay. Clarify,
Yo,
satisfied, and
bulihan.
Clarify.
sakit sa bonified.
Question.
For me,
Yeah.
for you.
And for us.
Ay, sorry.
Kasi na bonita.
What's the point?
La.
Wait, I'm asking you, promise.
Yeah.
I have one question.
Yeah.
When you are,
Only one question.
yeah,
Ano?
hindi ko na kailangan marami. Kasi isa na naman ang sagot eh. Okay, for me.
Tagalog, English.
No, I'm
Taglish.
Canadian. Okay? Yeah. For me, I am satisfied myself I'm a gay because I do anything what happened to me and I happy what I am doing.
Thank you.
No need to thank you because they have two questions. Wala mo.
Okay. You're not supposed
I
to
haven't
be an.
say thank you because they have two more.
Oh, no, you add two more.
No, two more questions.
I two more question. Not two more in your life.
No, not
Second question.
two more.
Second
Yes.
question.
What? The second question.
In your life,
In my life,
as of now,
as of now,
do you believe in a prayer?
I believe,
Do you
as
be-
of now, I believe that the prayer for me, thank you for that wonderful question. For me, yes, I believe that the prayer, it because it myself can make happening Lovely.
Ever, ever,
You discriminate what happened, but
I'm just irritating you. I question.
Yo, ikat. Yeah, for me, yeah. I feel... Matay tadi.
Kaiyo na kami, namatay kami na duwa.
Go on, just go.
Yeah, go on.
One more question for
Okay,
you.
okay, for me. No, parang sabotage kasi ako sa pangalawang ano eh.
There's no sabotage.
No, kasi
We're
gusto
three
ko.
of us.
Kasi gusto ko,
Oh,
kung ano yung tanong mo, yung
Ay,
isasagot ko.
English.
For me to say, when you are questioning at me, I can answer what I am to be. Oh naman.
This not to be.
No, not to be.
Oh, to be.
We are wannabe. At tutu. Sorry for my mistake.
Okay.
Ano? Sorry. The
Last.
third say.
Last question.
Okay. I try to be answer in a proper way. Come on.
Are you gay?
I am a gay, you said. I am a gay. For me, as aside myself,
That's
I
not
am.
a proper question. I ask you, are you a gay? That's not and not as just.
That's not a proper question.
Yes. I told
You
I
told
asked
me
you,
I'm a gay.
Are you a gay?
Yeah, I'm a gay.
Yo.
Then,
Rate yourself that you're a gay. From 10 to 110.
I rate myself
Oh.
to 10 and below.
110.
Then, I explain. Sorry, you said it. I rate myself
From 10 to 110.
10 to 100. Then, I explain.
Yes, I have.
Okay.
I ask you.
Hmm.
Rate yourself from 10 to 100. 10 to 100 that you are gay in your life.
Then, oh, yun lang. Easy way. You said it.
Oh.
I am a rate to, I'm a gay in a 100 to 10. Yun ang sa amin, di ba?
Yes, you rate yourself from 10 to the you're gay.
100. Like, I can answer.
Okay.
Ay, yun lang nalalaman sa buhay ko, ha?
I cannot
my
understand.
son.
Just
Ah.
speaking English. I cannot understand.
Ano na ba sa nga?
Marilit pabuligay.
You say very
I rate myself
Uh-huh.
10.
I-
Okay. I try myself, but I am hard. It's so hard, but I
Hard.
try. Hard.
Hard.
So hard.
Mm.
Yes. For me, I rate myself one.
Question of your life.
Question. Hindi
One
ko na
at a
kaya.
time.
Hindi ko na nga kaya mag-100 question ka pa dyan.
One at a time.
Rate.
Ilan kaya doon sa
Tinatanong mo, rate lang. Walang putragis na yan eh. You rate me, di ba? As a 100 to the belowing.
Oh.
Okay.
Bilowing.
Kinda lang mo na siya. What happened?
You know what?
I know what.
I'm the promoter of my Frank. You know what?
Yeah.
You're not famous with this Frank.
Sorry.
Hmm?
But people cannot understand what a franc.
People can understand Frank.
It's not a frank, it's prank.
Frank must go to Book ID. You know Book ID?
Avocado.
Mountain Dew.
Mount-
Bukid. Mountain. A person that never...
No,
Oh.
just talk in a social experimentation. Then, no, say something.
Oh.
What happened? A franc is a franc.
Yes.
For, I don't know, but you are not,
Amen.
say something.
Nowadays, there's a social media. there's a Frank, there's a,
To say sand.
Ah.
Pero may naman.
no,
Say something.
you know
You
what?
said Frank.
Oh, I'm speaking with our dialect. Saya ngayon yan, siya ngayon, marami
From
pa
now
ngayon.
on, English. Uy.
No. Dialect, gani.
Ano?
No. With our
Sa
dialect.
ngayon.
With our dialect.
As
sa
of
ngayon,
now.
Oh, as of now. Sa ngayon natin ha, may prank tayo ha. Hindi kila, no. Keep it. No. You're not a person without a disability.
Yes.
Disability of my life?
Ano to Paralyzed?
I'm not paralyzed with you. You're paralyzed with me. I never thought you that you're rooting for. You know what? Hindi ka wala sa buhay ko. Who are you in my life? You're nothing but a force. Force me.
Grabe naman.
No. Who are you in my life?
Grabe naman kasi mo.
No.
Storytelling mo.
No. I am here. Standing in front of this video.
Say something.
No.
You.
Don't force me.
Force you. I am not force you.
I'm forcing myself that I'm here.
You're
Stand beside you. Stand with my hair. That I am my Maricar.
Arviso,
Arviso.
Santang Palo.
Standing in front of you.
Yeah.
Ah,
A masalista. Proud to be
who are
Okendo Poblacion.
you're nothing but a
But the
force.
truth. De.
Tumalingis.
Hoy.
Oh.
Grabe ka na.
Oh, why?
Sino ka?
I prolong with myself.
Iyabang kasi
Oh.
sinasabi mo.
No, hindi ako mayabang.
Humingi ka ng ano kasi.
No,
Kasalanan mo yun totoo.
no.